Queens, our talented assistant is spreading her wings and headed off to college. I am going to miss this girl. She has been a blessing to me, and I'm sure she has been a blessing to you guys as well. So I just wanted to do this short video for her so that we would come together and be a blessing to her. I'm leaving her Cash App at the end of this video and want you guys to just donate to her and just show your love as she leaves. You know, we want to shower those blessings on her for her incredible care that she provided for you guys with the shampoos, and her masterful cornrow braiding skills are out of this world. This girl came in there and she knew how to cornrow, but she mastered it over a period of time, and she started her own side business braiding children's hair. And now she can do the knotless braids. So she has really elevated herself while she was under my tutelage, and I am honored to be able to show her how to crochet braids and how to take her cornrow to the next level. So she is going to go to college and she's going to excel. I just wanted you guys to see how well my assistant Brianna did with this braid down. This is so cute. We got a little weave, a basket weave going on here. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Bree, you want to be on camera? Come over here. All right. There she is. Yeah, wave at the people. Okay, you waving too? All right, y'all. There you go. You know how to do it, girl. There you go. Right.